pieces from the old gear, the VDO for my E28. Mileage is not working. You can see the gear is broken right there, taking it apart. Okay, take it up. I just got to push this back a little bit. This piece here. Just pressing that back some so I can get that out. There we go. It's the gear, old and beat up. So that will be this one. See the difference? And this should be the next one here. Okay, so it's a two-piece. I have to take out the pieces that fell in the back here from the top gear. You see that? So what I'm going to do is turn this over and hopefully no other pieces fall out. Because if there's any other pieces in there, like in between the gears, then that would mess them up. Oh, goes another piece that fell out. Gotta be careful. So that should be the other pieces that survived. And that would be this piece here. This is a replacement here. This is going to drop down. Place here to take over. I guess that'll turn that. Let me see. Yep. Okay, so I'm going to take this out. I guess that's going to be pressed out. There we go. See, it's broken there. As opposed to here, broken in the tip. Press this from the top like that. The old one. Put this back here. So you see some on both sides. That's what this was. So it's going to drop back in there, and then this back piece is going to fit with that. That's another piece there. Give it space. Make sure it seats inside that. Has to set in the channel. Let me see. I believe it's in there. Come out. Don't tell me I got it backwards. I hope not. I just might have it. Do I have it backwards? Oh, I don't think so. Let's see. Oh yeah, I had it backwards. So you gotta double check, guys, whenever you take something apart. Gotta double check. So there we go. I had it backwards. Now this will go on top here. There we go. That's working. And then this one is supposed to go. Is it this way, or I think it's gonna go facing down? Right. Facing down, right? Yep. Right. But this has to come out. So this can be put on. So I'm gonna have to press that out somehow. I think I'm gonna need some pliers. Alright, so let me take this, get these out the way so nothing gets damaged. Come back with some pliers. Alright, so now I gotta work on this 12-tooth gear, because the original one, you know, had a brass center, which we don't need for the new one. So I gotta try and get it off of here without destroying the shaft, so to speak. So this is the harrowing part. Trying to get this gear off. The brass gear, that is. Without destroying everything else. I should have brought out a tissue. So what I'm doing is I'm just kind of squeezing it little by little, trying to see if I could deform it to get it off. Little by little. Hopefully with that and age, it won't give me too much trouble coming off. So by increments, let me take these out before I destroy anything else. It's a repeated process. Basically, I'm crimping the brass portion of the gear, and there we go. There you go. See, crimped it to the point where it became deformed, and it comes right off. And you have to take your time when you do it, so you don't destroy anything else around it. All right, so that's perfect. And this would just slide right on. Perfect. All right, so let's put it back together. That's just great how it worked out, just like that. here. Set inside. This is the old one. This is the new one. Okay, so we're gonna push this down here. This bottom will align with the top there. Just like that. Perfect, it's working. And now we're going to put this at the top with the gear facing down, the smaller gear, counter gear. Perfect, it's working. And then we're going to do this one, smaller gear at the bottom as well. There we go. And we're going to work this gear in. All you gotta do is push it in between the teeth, and that's that. Boom. Just like that. Perfect. See that? So now that'll turn. See that? It turns like that. It turns the mileage. Perfect. Mileage is working again. That's how you change the gears. Then we're going to put the cover back on with the screws, and you're good to go. You slide it back in here, pushing this back, and oops, that's how we'll get it. Like and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you share. Thank you for watching.